Welcome to my channel PeekAboo-AI Surveillance, where I go over many different ways AI is being used when it comes to video and audio surveillance. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe so you won't miss out on any news or information pertaining to AI surveillance you may want to know about. There may be some links in the description below you can check out pertaining to each tutorial. To all my returning subscribers, welcome back and enjoy the tutorial. In the mid of 2010. Drones became widely popular, driven by advancements in smartphone technology, miniaturization, and the release of accessible consumer models like the DJI Phantom. This drone in particular made aerial photography and video accessible for the first time to hobbyists and businesses. While military drones existed for decades, the combination of smaller, cheaper, and more powerful components made them accessible to the public, in turn leading to their boom in popularity and widespread consumer adoption during this period and on. There are key factors to look for in a quality surveillance drone, such as camera quality, flight time or thermal capabilities for security and nighttime operations. Drones equipped with thermal sensors will be able to detect heat signatures, providing crucial intelligence. Keep in mind there are many good ones out there, but allow me to quickly go over 5 best surveillance drones. DJI Mavic 3 Pro, FAA Remote ID compliant. DJI Mavic 3 Pro complies with the FAA Remote ID rule. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Mavic 3 Pro ensures you fly safely. Equipped with 8 vision sensors, work with a vision computing engine to sense obstacles. Firmware upgrade. The new Vision Assist provides visual assistance and improved aerial safety in 4 directions. DJI Neo. Lightweight and regulation friendly at just 135 grams. The DJI Neo Drone, equipped with camera for adults 4K, may be even lighter than your phone and does not require FAA registration and remote ID. Multiple control options. The standard DJI Neo comes with a battery, propeller guards, and more, and is ready to use controller-free or with a smartphone. Impossible US-1. The Impossible US-1 drone stands out in a market dominated by drones with shorter flight times, such as DJI's Phantom and Inspire models. Its innovative battery-first approach. The US-1 drone is built for government agencies and first responders who need extended aerial monitoring capabilities. Groundbreaking 2-hour flight time, enabling persistent surveillance. A significant payload capacity of up to 4.4 pounds for carrying specialized sensors. Sorry to say, everyone, the Impossible US-1 isn't for consumers' purchase. DJI Mavic 4T, released in 2025, is the most advanced surveillance drone in DJI's enterprise portfolio to date. The Mavic 4T drone is suitable for a wide range of industries, including electricity, emergency response, public safety, and forestry conservation. The DJI Mavic 4T is the latest generation thermal drone, loaded with AI features and serious power in a compact frame. It includes a best-in-class thermal sensor, laser rangefinder, wide and zoom cameras, and a spotlight, making it the most capable thermal drone in its class. DJI Air 3 South. A dual-camera drone designed for travel photography. DJI Air 3 Seconds integrates a suite of advanced technologies. Free panorama mode creates seamless panoramic shots by stitching together images. The Air 3 South has additional sensors, enable nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing, allowing your drone to circumvent buildings while flying. Enjoy greater creative freedom with a 45-minute max flight time. Here are some important considerations when purchasing or flying your drones. Always ensure you comply with privacy laws and regulations, as drone surveillance can infringe on individuals' privacy. Aviation regulations. Be aware of and follow all local and national aviation regulations, such as the FAA's rules in the U.S. for safe and legal operation. License and insurance for commercial or specific operational use. You may need to obtain the appropriate licenses, like the FAA Part 107 license and insurance. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links, if any, will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any important AI surveillance information that is currently out there, please make sure you check out the thumbnails that will be floating around at the end pertaining to similar content, and don't forget PeekAboo, I see you.